It will be like that with every bottle that I don't hit on the first try.
Ain't on trend Thai truth.
In today's video, we have a variety of cold weapons right here, and with their help, we will destroy Coca-Cola bottles. We'll do this in slow motion, and not just for fun, but as a competition.
And so that the guys don't have problems like this one.
I always wanted beautiful ones just like that. Anyway, I won.
No, I've won.
Why do you think that?
Because mine's more beautiful.
That's why we are here.
We will evaluate the guys' throw based on 3 criteria, right?
Accuracy. Are you experts, seriously?
Beauty. Beauty.
Distance.
Distance, beauty, and accuracy.
Since the guys clearly have problems with their speech, instead of them talking, we'll give them scorecards then. Each of us will have 10 attempts right there, and we can each use them however we want.
And let's start with the smallest weapon.
So, I'll go to the maximum distance to get all 5 of my points that I have. For now, I have all 10 of my attempts, and I can take some risks. Bam! I hit the bottleneck, and you guys, it doesn't look very impressive. I feel like I'm going to lose now, probably, but let's see first how Artem throws then.
All right, now I'm gonna crush you. It begins, all this left is to pierce the bottle with a knife. Guys, an airplane! Oh, there it is, the victory. I threw so hard that the knife pierced through the bottle all the way through, and this is definitely 5 points.
Yes. You threw so hard that the knife flew with you, right?
All right.
Well, let's give this in slow motion for our judges, and they'll decide who won and how many points they all received. All right, you guys. Now, tell me, how many points are you giving each of us, and starting with beauty? Is that for me? Yeah, I'm not very beautiful.
2 points because there wasn't much splashing.
What about distance? 4 points. And accuracy? That's a total of 11 points.
Anything you want to say in conclusion?
Guys, can we make a deal?
Points for beauty. Points
For distance.
for distance.
Zen, yeah. Zen.
Points for, what's it called? For accuracy. Well, that didn't help you.
Well, how can I put it?
So, the total score is 7.
8 points, 8 points. All right, let's keep on throwing. So what? That's not a big deal
You
after
still
all.
lost, even with 8.
No, it's not. It's almost hit it.
Well, now we move on to the next weapon, the sickle. And as always, I'll start with the highest level of difficulty, and I'm sure I'll hit it. Absolutely sure this time. 1, 2, 3.
Screw you. You almost hit it.
You nearly killed the judge. -1 point for you.
Attempt number 2. You better step it back. I used up 7 of my attempts. I think that I need to change something. I'll stand up closer. I hit you. Why didn't you shatter? But it's all right. I still have 3 more attempts. 2. And right now, that was a real smashing of the bottle right there. It split into 2 parts, and it turned out to be very beautiful and high-quality slow motion.
After reviewing the throw in slow motion, we've reached the following verdicts. Beauty. Distance. And accuracy.
I want to experiment. I'll throw the middle distance right away. Well, I hit it. Well, Due to insufficient force, the sickle hits the
Reclaim.
bottle, but the bottle is still intact. And I missed it with great force.
Disgrace.
2 and 3. Strong throw, but I missed. It doesn't matter. I missed with great force. 2, 3. It doesn't matter how many times I fall. What matters is that I still have attempts, and I'll use them all. So, damn. I feel like I didn't hit the bottle, judging by the shape of a sickle. 3. I think I lost. For Artem, beauty of the throw, I give him 3 points.
For Artem's distance of the hit, I give 1 point.
I give him 5 for accuracy because Artem still managed to hit the bottle, even though he didn't break it.
Max's total score is 11. Artem's total score is 9. Total score is 0-2. Max is taking the lead.
And for the next weapon, we'll choose an axe.
When throwing the axe, we exclude the criterion of distance, but we will focus on the accuracy right now. The closer to the middle we split the bottle, the more points that we will get.
Just in the street forever. Just
I hit it, although not perfectly in the middle, but the bottle split almost in half, approximately evenly. Whether it's good or bad, the judges will decide. Now I present the next throw to Artem.
1, 2, 3. Perfectly split bottle right in the middle. Even from the bottle cap, you can even tell that the hit was right in the middle.
just in the street forever.
In this round of splitting the bottle with an axe, Max receives 5 points for beauty, 2 points for accuracy, since he didn't hit the middle of the bottle. Artem gets 5 points for beauty and 5 points for accuracy, because he hit the middle of the bottle.
So all in all, the score is 2-1.
And for the next round, we will need a lot of Coke and just one machete.
The answers of this round will be as follows. Max and the other guys will throw bottles at me.
Each bottle that Artem splits will count as a separate point for him. So the more bottles he splits, the more points he gets. There are a total of 10 bottles. 1, 2, 3. I'm learning from Artem's mistakes. Artem ended up covered in Coca-Cola and I took off my pants. Well, I'm ready and... Are you ready? Just like that. Well, everything seems fine. Just my eyes are stinging a bit. Artem was right, I should have worn some goggles. What did he say?
Wear goggles. So, you didn't wear them?
Anyway, I split 10 bottles and they flew very slowly. But that is your problem.
I don't necessarily have to win this competition. It's enough for me to see Max covered in Coca-Cola. It's worth it.
Do you realize that you were just in the same situation?
Well, I got my revenge, that's all.
How do you feel?
It's fine. Better than before. It's better than being sticky.
I hope we don't catch any infection from here.
The results of the fourth round. Artem, 8 points. Max, 10 points. The total score is 3-1. Max is taking the lead, but Artem still has a chance to make a comeback.
In the next round, each shatter bottle will be worth 0.5 points.
Now I need to theoretically split about 14 bottles. Well, how many I'll actually manage to split, I have absolutely no idea. Well, in any case, you know, we're really not playing for a cow, so I'm ready. I'm ready to win a cow from Artem. Let's go.
I don't have a cow.
1, 2, 3. I'm winning again, damn it. How many did I split? So I shattered 8 bottles, including those that didn't split in half, but had at least had part cut off. So I get 4 points then, and my total score is 7 points. And now I give Artem the opportunity to create a more beautiful slow-mo, because after all, the most important thing is really the participation. Right, Artem?
Yeah.
I just don't want your disappointment, actually.
1, 2, 3. I managed to split 9 bottles. It was enough for an overall victory, of course, but I'm still happy with it. I received a lot of positive emotions, and I'm happy with that.
Genuine positive emotions here. My eyelid won't fully open now, right now. Hopefully it'll detach someday. Well, that is it. Good luck to everyone, and bye for now.